Let me ask you a question. Is there
Yes.
anything better than a pizza right out of the oven?
No.
How about a fresh margarita pizza right off the grill?
Yes, it's a summer favorite at Nora Murphy's Country House in Newtown, and she wants to share the recipe with all of us.
Actually, her husband Murph does the cooking this time around, which I was shocked at. Take a look. Nora Murphy, I'm not used to working with more than you, and we have a man here. Who's this man?
The man is my husband, Rick Murphy.
Hey, Rick, how are you?
Hey, Scott.
And he goes by the name, he goes by Murph.
Murph.
All right, Murph, and we're making something wonderful today.
One of our favorite things. It's a summer treat, pizza on the grill.
And Murph, you're gonna show us the way.
I'm going to put you to work, Scott.
All right,
Let's
I'm good. I'm
start
looking
out,
forward to it.
Grab a rolling pin. We've got some store-bought dough here.
Okay, so that's simple enough.
Yeah, one of the easiest things to do is to make sure you leave it out for an hour or two. Let it warm up. It just makes it much more pliable when you're going to roll it out.
Okay.
Murph uses cornmeal to roll the dough in so it doesn't stick to the surface.
You got to put a little elbow grease in, and you're going to start from the center, and just it's going to move around a little bit. But you're gonna use some weight, and yeah, it's not as easy as you might think.
We get your ingredients out of the way.
Once in a while, just flip it over so that you're
Working your way down the aisle.
I'm working my way right off the table. That's what I'm doing.
flip it over, and then keep going and keep rolling.
There
And
you go.
Okay.
see,
There you go. And then I would turn it.
yeah.
Like this?
There you go. And really,
Roll out the pizza. We'll have some pizza on the grill.
and then just keep
You just
turning it.
keep turning and working on the outside. Eventually, it'll start to.
Yeah, and yes. And then you want to flip it over afterwards as
Yeah.
well.
Flip it.
Yeah.
Don't worry about getting a perfect circle or anything like you're
I'm
going to
certainly
find.
not worried about that.
Sometimes we try to figure out what state it looks like.
Yeah, that's true.
Yes, this looks like Nebraska right now.
You're doing good.
I'm doing pretty good. I gotta be honest.
You're doing better. I gave you the better roller. I
Mine
think
looks
that's
better than
the.
his.
I know, it does. Look at Rick has a hole in his.
We also have our other ingredients here for the pizza. Margarita pizza is very simple.
Margarita pizza is my favorite of all time. That's every time I go out, that's all I get is a margarita pizza.
Yes. My friend Stan graced us with some beautiful tomatoes from his garden. We've got fresh basil here. Just the smell amazing. And then of course we got fresh mozzarella.
That's fresh
there.
mozzarella?
Yes.
Let me just try and make sure it's fresh. Oh, that's fresh.
Yeah, it's good, huh?
That's good. Okay.
Okay.
We slide the dough onto a board, grab our other ingredients, and head outdoors.
All right, so we're outside. We're ready to put the pizza on the grill. I'm very excited about this. Rick, take it away.
Very simply, you just want to make sure you throw some oil on there. I like to spray oil. It makes life a lot easier. We've sprayed the underside of this pie already, and it slides right on the grill.
Okay.
Once you do that, close it up and just keep checking it. Every 30 seconds to a minute, just keep checking it until it gets nice and brown.
What's the average time, you think? Anywhere?
2 to 3 minutes.
2 to 3 minutes, so we're not talking about a long period of time.
Keep checking it. You
Keep
don't
checking it.
want to burn it.
You don't want to burn the bottom.
That's the bottom line.
All right, so we'll just wait right now.
That's it. All right, Scott, I think we're ready now. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, it's good to go.
Beautiful.
So this is the point we got to really move quickly. We got to make sure we dress this pizza. Fresh tomatoes.
That's so right.
I'm not covering every inch, by the way. Kind of spread them out a little. Fresh basil, good. Oh, it smells so good. And then that nutty mozzarella. Oh, good, there's some left. Thanks, Scott.
Well, I tried to save you a little because I know I've been snacking on it. Doesn't that look beautiful?
Oh my gosh. One of my favorite things in the summer.
And then you close it up again.
Close it up, and hopefully the cheese is going to melt nicely. It's going to toast on the bottom, and we're going to have a really fresh, delicious
I mean, other
summer
than
pie.
the rolling out, this takes minutes to
Yes.
make.
And it's just so delicious. It can be an appetizer or it could be your main course.
I'm thinking appetizer and main course.
It could be yes.
Oh, yeah.
We're almost there. It's almost done.
All right, boys and girls, look at that. Just melted through, nice and crispy on the bottom. This is a fresh summer pizza right here.
That was delicious.
Murph slices it up and we're good to go.
We have our crew here. They smell the pizza.
Yeah, the aroma has attracted in some lovely people.
Come on, guys.
Hurry up. The eating's good.
We told them about it, and everybody, you didn't have to twist their arm.
You ready for some food?
Can't wait.
Looks delicious, right?
Nora's son Connor doesn't care if it's hot. He's first to dig in.
Hot but great.
Great.
And the rest of us follow suit.
All right, here we go.
All right, guys, please dig in.
Wow, this looks amazing. This is absolutely terrific. Thank you so much, Murph.
You're welcome.
Isn't it amazing?
Pizza on the grill. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Nora Murphy from NoraMurphyCountryHouse.com. Thank you so much for joining us and bringing your husband in as well.
Thank you for coming.
For more inspirational ideas, where do we go?
NoraMurphyCountryHouse.com.
All right, thank you.
Oh, it was so good. I could just taste it right now.
That looked delicious.
All right, be sure to check out Nora's Late Summer e-magazine featuring some incredible tomato recipes. You're going to find it at NoraMurphyCountryHouse.com.